You were created for something greater. You weren't made to live a small, limited life working only for others. Maybe right now you feel stuck. Maybe you wake up every day feeling unhappy with your life or your job. Deep inside, you know you were made for something more. There is something bigger calling you. The truth is, you are not here just to consume. You are here to create, to build, to become something more. Yes, there are obstacles. Yes, something may be standing in your way, but that doesn't change who you are. You are intelligent, you are capable, you have potential. Don't waste your life being comfortable. Don't accept a life that you know is smaller than what you are capable of living.